Are you ready to take your real estate business to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your entire workflow using Zapier. No coding required. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link your favorite apps so they work together seamlessly, saving you hours of repetitive tasks. First, open your browser and head over to Zapier. If you haven't heard of it, Zapier is a powerful tool that automates tasks between different apps. Think of it as your personal workflow assistant, quietly doing the heavy lifting in the background. Once you're on the homepage, click Login at the top right. For simplicity, I recommend logging in with your Google account. It's fast, secure, and keeps everything organized. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which might look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We'll focus on creating a single automation called a Zap. Click Create, then select Zap. Zaps are the core of automation in Zapier. They connect apps so tasks happen automatically without you lifting a finger. Every Zap has two parts, a trigger and an action. Let's start with the trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. For real estate, a powerful example is Facebook lead ads. Select it as your trigger app, then choose New Lead as the event. This means every time someone submits their info through your ad, Zapier will spring into action. Don't forget to connect your Facebook account and test it to make sure everything is linked properly. Next comes the action, the part that happens automatically after the trigger. For this example, we'll use Google Sheets. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Now, every time a new lead comes in from Facebook, Zapier will automatically add their information to your spreadsheet. Make sure your Google account is connected and test it to confirm the automation works flawlessly. Once your Zap is set up and tested, click Publish to activate it. And just like that, your real estate business has a smarter, more efficient lead management system, letting you focus on closing deals instead of managing data. Automation doesn't just save time, it makes your business more professional and reliable. Start with this Zap, then explore more automations to handle tasks like follow-up emails, calendar scheduling, and client notifications. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on streamlining your business. Until next time, happy automating.